Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel APM Guide. As a part of our APM capability series, in this video we are going to discuss about the APM options. So we'll see what exactly the APM options. Okay, this comes under the W3C capabilities. Okay, so as a part of this video, we are going to discuss about these three scenarios. What is APM options? Why we use APM options, and we run both on positive and negative scenarios with respect to the APM options. We'll see what type of troubleshooting we have to do with the APM options. That is very, very important. Third point is very, very important. Okay. So we'll come back to the first of all, what is the APM options? See, APM options is a named space capability container introduced to support the W3C WebDriver standard, which requires vendor-specific capabilities to be grouped under the namespace key. See, nothing. In short, we can say it acts as a container which holds the vendor specific capability as a group. Okay, and why we need to, how it works exactly. Okay, it encapsulates all the API specific capabilities, including those common across the platform, Android specific, iOS specific, and driver specific. Okay, these type of capabilities you can group together. Okay, that is the what about the APM options. The next is the why we need to use the APM options. So one first thing is the to bound with the W3C WebDriver complaint. Okay, and second is the avoids capability classes, and one more thing is a clear structure and better validation. So that's why we had to use the APM options. Okay, now we have seen these options. Now we see this in a practical. Okay, so go to the open the IDE, Eclipse IDE. So we copy the one script. So we have created one script under 9 ways to install the APKs, right? So we are installed by the desired capabilities. So these are the desired capabilities which have given, these are capabilities which are given the UI automator 2 options here. So this thing I want to use the APM options here. So what I will do, we just copy the script here. We review the script and under the capability package, paste it here, and we say just rename the class name APM options underscore demo. Let's rename the class name APM options, rename the file also. Okay, so now our class is ready with the APM options underscore demo. Here we need to use the APM options. How we can able to use here? So first of all, I remove these things here. Okay, okay, I will keep it here. So before that one, what I will do, I create a map here. Okay, map string comma options comma object. Okay, and I name this map map as APM options. Okay, and new hash map. Okay, import this one. Okay, now we will add the APM options here. Okay, so APM, there is a variable, sorry, APM options dot put. So I need to add the capabilities here. I want to group it here. So first capability I need to add is the platform version. Okay, platform version is 13. Okay, of this my Android device. So in this case, emulator here. So I just copy here. So I want more capabilities here. The platform version. Next is the automation name. So this is the automation name. So we have to give this one. Automation name. Automation name is a UI automator 2. Just copy this one. So I'm grouping it to a map here. Okay. And next is the device name. Okay. Device name. Device name. The device name is the Pixel 6. So in my case, it is Pixel 6. Okay. As per your thing, you have to update here. Okay. Next is the app. So I want to install the app here. So I want to provide the app details. That is the APK path. This is the code already we have here. Just provide this code here. Just remove this one. Just paste it here. Okay. I have given the path of the APK file here. And next is the no reset. This all these things I had to give here. So I said no reset. No reset. And it's a boolean value. Okay. And one more is the auto grant permission. So I want to add this thing. So I'm grouping this capabilities here. You can see that I'm grouping the capabilities here. Auto grant permission. Just copy this one and paste here. So this is a boolean I given here. So one more I want to use. Okay, that is the one more capability I need to provide the timeout. Okay, that is the timeout new command timeout. And this is the value. So I say 120 seconds here. Okay, you see here, I am grouping the capabilities here. Okay, and I'm using a map here. Okay, so I not want this one. I have to remove this. So all these things I have grouped here. You see, previously my capabilities I have kept it under the cap dot methods I have given here. Here what I am doing, I am creating a container here. I am creating a container and I passing this thing. Okay. So as you see here, so I am creating a namespace capability container. Okay. And I'm grouping this thing. So it is vendor specific capabilities I am mentioning here. Okay. So I'm grouping here. And this value I need to pass. Okay, how I can able to pass this? Okay, this one I want to pass. So I had to use cap dot set capability. Okay, this one. What is name I had to give? It is the APM options. No, APM colon options. And I need to pass here. Pass this value here. That's it. So I had grouped these capabilities and I am providing here to the set capability APM options and I have provided the value here. Okay, you see the difference here. So this is the script you copied right here. I have given the capability in this way. Here you can see all our capabilities I have grouped together in a map and I have provided this value to here. So here I am using the value called APM colon options. Okay, this is the one. Okay, and now Okay, so I have provided the capabilities and I grouped it. Okay, as a container, I group it and provide this option here. Now I'll run this code. So before that one, I want to uninstall this Appium demos app because here I provided the app package to install it. Yes. Okay, now I run this code. Before that one, I need to start the Appium server. My Appium server is started. So I'm using the latest version of Appium, that is the 3.0.0. That is a Appium 3 beta version. And now I run the code. So just it has to install the API demos app. Okay, and here you see I have grouped. See, I have grouped the capabilities. Okay, specific capabilities in a container, and I am placing in the container. Okay, all these things in APM options. I have placed all these APM capabilities. Okay, so here I'm using around 7 capabilities, and I'm placing this is the APM options here, and in the set capabilities, I am using the key as APM colon option, and I provide this value here. Okay, this is how we can able to use the APM options. But here, as I told, we had think one more thing here. There is a positive and negative scenario. It's very important here. So positive, we have done it here. What is negative here? Okay, if you observe this code carefully, here I have mentioned platform version, automation name, device name, app, no reset, auto grant permission, new command line here. But why I kept this platform name outside? Right. Why this separate platform name, Android, I kept outside this container? Why? I can put it here, right? Just I can see, oh, it is where I forgot here. Okay. Just I want to put it here. We see what will happen here. If I mention this one, what will happen? We'll see. So, platform name, right? Just mention platform. You can put it here. Why you want specifically outside this one? So I say platform name, Android. That's it. So all my capabilities are in one place now. Why I did keep the platform name separate? Okay. So now you run it. So what will happen? We'll see. Okay. Here one second I run it here. We'll see. So it will give one error message here. We'll see. That is what we want. It will give one error message. We'll see what exact message. See, now we'll go to the error message. This is very important here on this concept. Okay. So when you see the error message, a new session cannot be created. Details. APM options must only contain vendor specific capabilities. Platform name is unexpected. Okay, why? Why the platform name we should not add? Okay, so that is the reason is the platform name is a standard W3C capabilities. While the platform name is outside the APM options because platform name is defined by the W3C as a standard capability. Okay, so it must be not be the vendor space like APM options. So remember always that the platform names will not come under the APM options. Okay, if you mention the platform name as our script here, if you see in our script, I have mentioned the platform name under the APM options. That's why it is throw the error message saying that session is not created and says platform name is unexpected. Okay, so you go to the PPT. So the platform name is platform name is defined as the W3C as a standard capability. Okay, and can we mix this W3C and non-W3C capability? Yes, we can mix it here. How we can able to make six platform name at the root level and other inside the APM options. The same thing we did here. If we go back here, so the same thing we did here. So this is the root level. Okay, this is the root level and this is the option, APM options. So here I have mentioned the platform name and the root level and the APM options. I have grouped this here capabilities as a specific capabilities here. Okay, this is how the APM options works. So here this is a case when we have worked the capabilities in the script here. So we have one more option, that is the configuration file. So if you open the configuration file we have discussed here, this is the configuration file with JSON. I want to use this APM options under the configuration file. How we can able to do it? So I will show that one also. So what we will open? We will open this path. So in System Explorer, okay, this is the one. So I just copy this JSON. I don't want to disturb this one. Copy and paste and rename this as a config, APM config with APM options. APM options here. So here I need to add the APM options as a group here. Okay, as we did in the our script here. Okay, so simple. Just go here and just add a code. Okay, instead of default capabilities, I want to add a capability here. Let's rename this one. Okay, just I'm showing the example here. So already created here. See, this is the one. Okay, here what I am doing, I'm just adding the APM options here. So go back here. I will not keep the default capabilities here. Okay, here instead of this one, okay, remove all the unnecessary things here. So platform name, I'm using the root level. Okay, so this thing I remove here. Okay, the platform name is a root level. Okay, now I want to add the APM options here. If you see this notepad here, just copy this one, this block, and put it in the server block here. You know that this is a server block here, just paste here. That's it. Format it neatly. Same thing I'm doing here. That's it. Okay. See, under the default capability, what I did, the platform name, I kept it as the root level. Okay, remaining I mentioned in the APM options. Okay, this is how we can able to change there also. Okay, in the our configuration file. Okay, in configuration file, if I want to use the APM options, I can use like this. Okay, and coming back to our script here. Okay, now I want to run, save it here, go back here, and now I have updated here. I changed the platform name under the root level. So I just say platform name at root level and remaining are in the just a minute. Okay, and remaining what I'm doing in the inside the capabilities inside the APM options here. Okay, so if you want to summarize here, the platform name is a W3C defined, must be on the top level, means at the root level, and APM options is APM defined for all APM specific settings here. If you mix, okay, if you not keep this in properly, it may give the session creation break. So you have seen the error, right? It's not created a session saying that the platform name is not a APM defined. It is a standard W3C capabilities. So you should not use this thing under the APM options. Simple. The platform name is defined by the W3C as a standard capabilities. You should not be in the vendor names space like the APM options. So it is very important here with the capability, the platform name. So we need to remember when you are using the APM options. Okay. So get back our script here. and we run this script here. So here we mentioned properly. Yes. Now once again, I want to run it. Okay. Because we have mentioned the platform name, the root level. Let's say click on save and other capabilities in the Appium options. Yes, done. So this is simple script. I am using it to demonstrate the Appium options here. Okay. So I'll push this code in the GitHub. Okay. Apart from that one, all my work, all my scripts, you can find it under the GitHub here. That is the Appium guide. Okay. So all my configuration file also you can find it here. All my scripts will be under the GitHub, and whatever I'm discussing in the video, all will be available as a article under the Medium. In Medium, just search with the at the rate of Appium guide. You can find all my detailed article regarding this videos. Okay, so you go through it. Your scripts is available here. And apart from that Medium, I have the blog where I mentioned the provide the links to the articles and the videos whatever we discuss here. It is a one stop destination to get all the knowledge on Appium. Okay, if you just go through here, so you'll get all the information about the Medium and the about the articles which are written in the Medium and the videos here. So if you want to see here, if you want to see Appium tutorial for beginners, okay, we have both videos and articles here. So I will show it for Appium parallel testing. Okay, so here we have the separately I kept it for the articles and videos here. Whatever you want the go through it, just click on that one. We have the detailed video with all the information here. Okay, so if you like my video, please click on my like button, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.